Good morning and Assalamu alaikum 7th class. How are you students? Hope so you all are fine and taking the online classes. Student, this is your science lecture. Open your science books and copies. Let's start our work with the name of Allah Almighty. Student, as we have started our chapter number 4, acids and alkalis. Student, today we will discuss about the color changes of indicators in acidic, neutral and alkaline solution. So before coming to this topic, first of all I will explain you that what is pH scale. Student, the pH scale has value from the 0 to the 14. So the midpoint of the scale has a pH value of 7. Neutral solution has the pH value of 7 and acids have pH value less than 7, that is 1 to 6, and the alkaline solution have a pH value 8 to 14, that is greater than 7. So this scale which have value of 0 to 14 is known as pH scale. The the value from 1 to 6 is acidic, then 7 is the neutral, and then 8 to onward 14 up to 14 it is alkaline. So the topic is color changes of indicators that in acidic, neutral and alkaline solution, that when we put a drop of indicator in acidic, neutral or alkaline solution, then what happened to that indicators. So first of all, what is pH indicator? Student, a pH indicator is a chemical detector for acidic, alkaline and neutral solution. If someone give us any solution, we don't have a knowledge about it that whether the solution is acidic, alkaline or neutral, so we will put a drop of indicator in that solution, acidic, alkaline or neutral, any solution. Then the color changes of the indicator will tell us about that the how is the nature of what is the nature of that solution. So number first pH indicator is litmus paper is a pH indicator. Column number 1 is pH indicator. Column number 2 is its color when placed in neutral solution. Column number 3 is its color when placed in acidic solution, and column number 4 is its color when placed in alkaline solution. So first indicator mentioned over here is litmus. I have drawn this table for you so you can easily pick all these important points. So first one is litmus. Students, when it is placed in the neutral solution, its color would be red or blue. We have two types of litmus paper, red or blue. So when we place the litmus paper in the neutral solution, the color of the litmus paper does not changes. If the color of the litmus paper does not change, then it's mean that that solution would be neutral solution. Next is its color when placed in acidic solution. So when we place the litmus paper in acidic solution, the color of the litmus paper will become red. Next is its color when placed in alkaline solution. So when we place the litmus paper in the alkaline solution, the color of the litmus paper would be blue. Next indicator is universal indicator. Student, when we place the universal indicator in the neutral solution, then its color will be green, and when we place the universal indicator in acidic solution, its color would be red, orange or yellow. If the color of the universal indicator becomes the red or orange or yellow, then it's mean that that solution is the acidic solution. Next one is its color when placed in alkaline solution. So students, when we place the universal indicator in alkaline solution, then its color would become blue or violet. The indication of this color will show us about that that solution is the alkaline solution. Next indicator is phenophthalene. Student, phenophthalene is also also an indicator. When we place the phenophthalene in neutral solution, then its color will become colorless. When we place phenophthalene in acidic solution, it will also colorless, and when we place the phenophthalene in the alkaline solution, its color would become pink. Student, pink will be formed when the pH is greater than 10. If the pH is less than 10, then pink color will be not seen. Next indicator is screen methyl orange. When we place the screen methyl orange in neutral solution, then its color will become orange, and when it placed in the acidic solution, it is red for pH below 3.6. When the pH is below 3.6, the color of indicator would be red, and when the pH is above 3.6, then the color of the indicator is orange. And when we place this indicator in alkaline solution, then its color would be yellow. So this table show us about the pH indicator and its color change in when it placed in the neutral solution, acidic solution, or alkaline solution. So students, your classwork is to draw this table on your copies.